Club, Maldando. And now the group tour representing the Lightning Club,
Junior middleweights right here. Here we go. Blue coming out, jabbing very aggressively, but red comes right back. Both trying to get some shots in. You can see that blue is really trying hard with that right hand. Is that right hand again? A couple of lefts by blue. Red is squaring up every single time in front of his opponent when he's looking to throw punches, which makes him very susceptible to anything coming straight on right down the middle. Especially straight punches and uppercuts also, just like there. Blue is getting his rhythm, coming with a right uppercut and another shot to follow afterwards. Nice jabs by blue. Red is doing more looking than throwing. Red just landed a jab at the same time that blue did just a moment ago. Quick combination landed by blue. Very fluent, moving is blue. Red telegraphs a lot of his shots. Chopping right hand by blue. 3 or 4 of them just landed a moment ago. End of the first round coming. Jab landed by red. You can see the confidence level by blue and landing that right hand in round 1. I think if blue really wanted to, he could really step in behind some of his shots and get red out of there, because red comes straight in. Doesn't move his head, and he really squares up. He's very susceptible to anything that's thrown when he gets in close. Quick combo thrown by blue. Very wide swinging punches by red. Blue landing that uppercut. The straight right hand is there for blue. All he has to do is throw it. Especially with red coming in. Red's mouth looks wide open right now. Nice right hands to the body. Straight right hands to the jaw by blue. Red is really slowing down right now. He's going to get a count. He's going to get a warning from the referee. He shouldn't touch the referee like that when he gives the warning. Long right hand by blue. Uppercut try. That right hand just off the mark, but that jab landed. Right hand landed as well. Red's legs just don't look like they're all the way there. Anytime he throws a punch, he falls all over himself, completely off balance. Blue's confidence is soaring. There's a series of shots. It sounded like a thudding body shot. Red has absolutely no answer to what's happening to him right now. He's got a lot of heart. End of round 2. This is a one-sided fight so far. Here we go with the third and final round. Here both guys mixing it up. Oh, that jab is really catching Red every time he comes in. Blue is starting to open up. I think right now what would work best for Blue is to throw a series of jabs in that right hand right behind it, just like he did a moment ago. I think if he doubles and triples this jab, it will really give Red all kinds of trouble, even more trouble. Red has absolutely no answer for any shots that Blue is throwing right now. That was a right hand in that exchange by by Blue. Red is getting marked up right now. Standing 8 count. Red's mouth is wide open, looking away from the corner. Looking away from the referee, not acknowledging the referee at all, which just leaves the referee with no choice but to stop the fight. And so be it.